Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is all out. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is almost all out and we even get a hands-on picture and new battery pictures that were leaked. And some good news for bespoke lovers. But don't expect something big from Z Flip 4 cameras because it may disappoint you. Samsung is going to launch Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 in August along with Z Fold 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. And according to Anthony, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 pre-orders will start on August 16th. Pre-opening will start on 23rd of August and will hit the market on August 26th. But these all dates are from Korea, so it may be different for other countries. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you guys interested in bespoke edition of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4? The previous leaks regarding the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 were right. Here we get the leak of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 2 batteries, one with 1040 mAh capacity and the other one brings 2555, in total 3595, and Samsung will label this as 3700 mAh as per previous leaks. The last year were only 3300 mAh on Z Flip 3. Now due to these numbers, the phone is slightly thicker than the last generation, standing at 7.2mm instead of 6.9 on Z Flip 3, and will come with 25 watt of fast charger instead of 15. And due to these figures, you can expect a great battery life out of Z Flip 4, since Snapdragon 1 Plus is 30% more power efficient than the last generation. A good news for a bespoke edition lover that Samsung will going to continue the bespoke edition with Z Flip 4 and even expand the country's list where they can provide the bespoke edition and more colors are added as well. For those who don't know what a bespoke edition is, Samsung last year offers custom color combination for the Z Flip 3, where you can have up to 49 color combination to choose from. Last year, Samsung offers bespoke edition in Australia, Canada, France, Germany, Korea, the UK, and the US. This year, they are expanding even more. And according to Sam Mobile, Samsung is also adding more colors to this, which will give you a lot more color combinations than the 49 colors. And you can also wield these options simply from Samsung's official website. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 hands-on leaks makes things clear, but the design is quite similar to the last generation Z Flip 3, but with the new hinge makes the difference, and same two lenses on the back and certainly provide same results as last generation, so the numbers will be same, 12MP main, 12MP ultra wide and 10MP selfie camera. And don't expect a bigger outer display. The display is around 2.1 inches, where last year it was just 1.9. You can only see the difference if you see both phones side by side. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you guys interested in bespoke edition of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.